Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today we're going to be doing a get ready with me using some of the products that I got from my last haul. So what I'm going to be using today is the Essence Yes I Can Natural Look Palette. This runs $14.99 and I picked this up from Ulta. I will also be using the Essence Matte Touch Blush. I'm in the color Bury Me Up. This is really pretty color. And then I also picked up two of these melted chrome shadows yesterday at Fred Meyer. So I got the color Copper Me and Zinc About You. So we'll try those and see how they look. And then the last thing I want to try out, I've seen people use this. I've heard nothing but good things about it. It's the new Urban Decay Brow Blade. So we're going to try that out on my brows. So I have all the rest of my makeup done. Let's just go in and get the blush done and then we can start working on the eyes. So again, this is the color Bear Me Up. It's so cute. See if you can see it there, but it's got this embossed, so it's got this embossed design there with little stars on it. So that's pretty cute. Pretty cute. I usually love their blushes, so it packs a lot of power, a lot of color in there. I think I went a little heavy-handed on the other side. So let me grab my brush, like so. Blend that out a little bit. There we go. Okay. That's a pretty color. That could go with so many different looks. Okay, let's talk about this palette. It's huge. It's heavy. Again, it's $14.99. Out of the sleeve. This is what it looks like when you get it out of the sleeve. And I have you up close so you guys can see what I'm doing today. You do get a mirror inside. And then these are, oops, all the shades that you get. So look at all that. So we have 24 shades. That's pretty good. You get a nice mix of mattes as well as shimmers. So I'm going to start off by taking this color that says Say Yes right here in the corner, and I'm going to go all over my lids with that. In the past, it's been kind of hit and miss with Essence eyeshadow palettes. I don't like the little ones they have that come in the little cardboard tubes, little palettes. They usually run like $10 or so. Just never cared for those. This is very nice. That was quick and easy. And then I'm going to go down here. This is Fake It Easy. Right there. We're going to use that as my transition shade. Yeah, I'm going to go in very, very lightly because I don't know how this is going to go on my eyes. Just want to make sure it's not too pigmented and be heavy in there. And I can tell this is very pigmented, so do use a light hand. Spend the time building it up to what you want. Don't go in there all hog wild and then have too dark of a transition. I want to thank you guys who have been giving me ideas for videos in the comments. I love it. I appreciate it. I'm writing it all down and trying to get the products that you guys are suggesting for me. So, and then I'm keeping a list. So if you have recommended something, I am going to go ahead and name you in the video as well. Okay, let's go into Be Unique, which is this one right there. It's a beautiful brown shade, kind of a brick brown. Brick red brown, is that how you say it? And I'm going to go into my crease with that. Oh, these are blending out so nice. That's just one little teeny tap into that color. I'm very impressed. All right, I'm gonna use that same brush, but I'm gonna go take one shade, oh, not one shade, I'm gonna go way dark. So do it again, this deep dark brown right there. Very, very, very teeny little bit further more into the crease. Okay, when I didn't quite get any on there. All right, let's work on the crease. I think I'm going to go into Do Me, which is this shimmer right here. And I'm going to go on the inner part of my lid. Woo! Hello, I was not expecting that. Wow. Essence, you got a good palette going on here. I'm going to switch over to one of these chrome shades now. So I'm going to take this one here, which again was Copper Me. Yeah, Copper Me. And oh, that even has a little pretty design on it too. And I'm just going to use the same brush, pick up a little bit on the outer edge of my eye. What do you think? I think these are pretty darn good. I like this a lot. I like this an awful lot. All right, let's take a clean brush, semi-clean. I'm going to just lightly buff right here. I mean, I am lightly touching that. I just don't want to have a harsh line between the two colors. So I'm kind of blending that in a little bit. And now we'll work on the lower lash line. So I'm going to take a smudge brush. This is a Moda brush. And I'm going to take the color Be Happy right there. I guess I should really take this thing off the mirror, but I don't know if I do that. Take that off and then I just use this mirror. And I'm going to take that all underneath my lash line. Okay, now I have the song stuck in my head. Don't worry, be happy. I remember when my grandkids were real little, probably like a year and a half, my granddaughter used to take my phone all the time and she'd hand it to me and say, be happy, be happy, be happy. So actually she was probably closer to a year at that point because she just wanted me to play the song and then she'd dance around. So cute. Okay, I'm going to take the Be Unique and just take that close to my lash line. Guys, I'm so blown away by this palette. It's so good. Just for kicks and giggles, there is this shimmery burgundy-ish color. It's called Do It for Love right there. There we go. And I'm going to take that along my lower lash line just a little bit too. Just to kind of spice it up and give a little extra color in there. All right, so this is the Urban Decay Brow Blade, and this sells for $26. It's waterproof, and it's dual-ended. So one end you have the fine tip pen like this to just draw in the little hairs for your brows, and the other end has the color that comes out. So this is also a very fine tip. So I'm gonna grab my mirror. So one thing is they didn't have room for a spoolie because they did this two-sided. Ooh. That is gliding on like butter. It's a great color match for me too. By the way, I'm in the color brown sugar. Come back to the inner part after I fill both of these in. So I want to use that felt tip side. Yeah. See how steady my hand can be here. Okay, I know I'm making a shadow right there when I do this. So how can I do this? Let's do it this way. You see how fine that is? How I could just draw in all those little lines? Okay, now that looks quite dark for me, so this might be a little too dark. We'll see. We'll see. What do you guys think? Is that too dark? Okay, let's do the other side. I can see while everybody has been going crazy for this because it's allowing me to like literally draw into those little bald areas of my brows and draw in what looks like hairs, where in the past it's always been the product, you know, just kind of the brow stuff. I can't think of the right words. Again, I can't talk today, sorry. And that never looks natural, and this does. It's really covered everything up. It was quick, it was easy, and I really like it. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna put some mascara on and we'll come back and do some lips and we'll finish this up. All right, guys, I'm back. I have lined my lips. This one is not new. It's something I've had. This is by Folkular, and it is in color number 17. I picked this up at AliExpress a long time ago. I really like these because they're so creamy and they do have the retractable top on them, so appreciate that. For my mascara, of course, I've gone in with my favorite. That's the L'Oreal Unlimited Lash. If you guys have not picked this up yet, you really need to look at these lashes. This is one coat, just one coat with this. I've never had to go in and do 2 coats, but it's just crazy good. So long, thick, beautiful lashes, don't get clumpy, and it doesn't smear. And then I have the Essence. These are the Velvet Matte Lipsticks. This is in color 03. This is what it looks like, which is a lot lighter than, oh, I guess it'll be a good match for the liner. These are so comfortable and inexpensive. And then to top it off, I picked these up from Sephora during my last haul. Unfortunately, they're already sold out of them online, but this is from Grande Cosmetics, and it is a limited edition lip plumping trio. So you get 3 of them in here. Haven't tried these yet. I'm going to have to look and see if you can buy these individually. If I can or cannot, I'll leave a comment down here letting you know. But this has the colors. Wow, are they not on it? Oh, okay. Cranberry Crush, Original Clear, and Spicy Mauve. We know this is clear. This has got to be the Spicy Mauve color. And then Cranberry Crush. So let's see how these work. They have a little button to press on the bottom. And it looks like I will be here a while. Get it to come. Oh, here we go. Okay. I'm going to swatch these first and see what the colors look like. Ooh. So that's Cranberry Crush. And that is Spicy Mauve below it. I think I will do Cranberry Crush with this. So let's try that. Oh. Okay, I got just the teeniest, tiniest little bit on my applicator here. Holy, that's some serious shine going on there. You guys think? I like it. I don't feel any tingling. I don't even smell like any type of a mint scent or anything like that, but it says it's an instant pluck with long-term benefits. So we shall see how this works. So I'm going to give this a few minutes. Give me a second and I'll be back and see if my lips plump up. Alright guys, it's been a few minutes and I can't say I've seen any difference in my lips. I am starting to feel a little bit of a tingling. Now I put this on over the top of the lipstick, so I don't know if that's probably creating a little bit of a barrier there. But it does get on your teeth, so make sure that you do the little trick of putting your finger in your mouth so you don't get that all over your teeth. It's obviously going to get all over the place. They recommend that you put this on twice a day to get the long-term benefits of it. It's not really going to be an instant plumping, but it's going to be a long-term thing. I did look at Sephora. They do sell 2 of these shades. Unfortunately, they don't sell the Cranberry Crush, which is the one I'm wearing, but they do have clear and they do have the Spicy Mauve. These run $27. I don't know if these are the same size as the full-size ones because these don't have any type of an indicator of what their size is, even anywhere on the box. I got this for $27, which is the price of one of them. I'm guessing these have to be a smaller size because the ones online, I don't know. I don't know. I'll have to go in the store and find out for sure. So anyway, that's what I have on my lips. I really, really, really love this eyeshadow palette. You guys need to get this. It went on so easily.
Hey guys, I did some swatches, so I thought maybe you'd want to take a look at those. So let's go through them. On the top row, we have the color Say Yes, followed by Be Glowing, Be Unique, Be a Star, Take a Risk, Have Fun. Row 2 has Do Me, Go For It, Be Happy, Do My Best, Just Do It For Love. Row 3 has Make It Happen, Be Famous, Be a Legend, Cuddle Up, Go for Gold, Do It Dark. And the last row has Be Myself, Do Good, Be a Winner, Take It Easy, Do It Again, and So Natural. And let's get back to the video.
Just beautiful. Love the blush. Love the melted chromes. I will leave a link down below for everything in case you're interested in getting that. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching today. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe to my channel yet, please make sure that you do that. Hit the notification bell next to it. That way you guys will be notified when I upload new videos. It's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So until next time, you guys, I love you all, and bye-bye.